Let's make eggplant syrup, and I'm not kidding you. To make this recipe, we're going to start by chopping our eggplant. There's the leaves on top. We're going to get rid of those. And then I'm going to cut it into small chunks. And I'm going to keep the skin and everything. This will take a moment. I'll be right back with you. Now that my eggplant is chopped, I need a measurement, which is why I have it in my handy dandy measuring utensil. And this one carries, the top line is 4 cups. So this is probably about 4.5 cups. I'm going to round it off to 4 because the proportions on this one aren't as critical as far as how much eggplant goes in. I'm going to put it in my saucepan. And the proportions I'm looking for are 4 to 1 to 1. So 4 cups chopped eggplant. I don't know if this is chopped or just cut into pieces. 1 cup sugar and 1 cup water. So I'm going to put the sugar and water in here and I'll meet you over at the stovetop. Now that we're at the stovetop with 1 cup sugar and 1 cup water in the saucepan with our 4 cups of eggplant, I'm going to turn it on to a low heat. Medium low. Let's do a medium low. And I'm going to stir continuously until both the sugar dissolves and the eggplant is cooked all the way through. This is going to take some time, so I'll be back with you in a moment. Now that the eggplant is cooked, I'm going to remove it from the heat and I'm going to let it sit until it cools to room temperature. Be back with you in a moment. Now that the mixture is cool, there's only one thing left to do, and that is strain, bottle, label, and refrigerate. So I'm going to get this started. See if I spill everything or anything. And so this is going to take some time, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to label my other bottle. I'm not going to label my other bottle. I'm just going to put the type of syrup, which is eggplant, 1 to 1, and the date, which is December 12th, 2024. And that's it. Eggplant syrup. Enjoy.